The living being's sensory ability and worldview. Are you ready to transcend the boundaries of your current understanding and glimpse the infinite tapestry of existence? Join us as we delve into Martinez's profound Symbol 31, a key to unlocking a more expansive and compassionate worldview. Martinez's work invites us to consider a radical idea that all beings, despite their apparent differences, are fundamentally interconnected. We perceive a multitude of races and species, but this perception is often based on the physical form, the temporary vessel through which a being experiences life. This physical organism, while essential for interaction within the physical plane, is not the true essence of the being. To judge a being's absolute identity based solely on its physical manifestation is akin to mistaking the instrument for the musician, the brush for the artist. It's a fleeting representation destined to return to the cosmic source. Symbol 31 serves as a visual guide, illuminating the path towards a more comprehensive understanding of reality. Let's explore the key elements within this symbolic landscape. The cone figure on the left represents the universe, the boundless container of all that is, was, and ever will be. Within this cosmic cone, all possibilities exist, all experiences unfold. It is the stage upon which the drama of existence plays out. The staircase formation on the right symbolizes the ladder of evolution, a continuous ascent towards greater awareness and understanding. Each step represents a stage of development, a unique vantage point from which to perceive the universe. The triangle represents the individual living being, a microcosm of the universe itself. Each being is a unique expression of the divine, a point of consciousness navigating the cosmic ocean. The luminous ray emanating from the living being symbolizes its sensory capacity, its ability to perceive and interact with the world. This ray, however, is often limited, reflecting the unfinished nature of the being. The unfinished human, according to Martinez, possesses a sensory ray that captures only a fraction of the total reality. We see the universe through our own unique lens, interpreting experiences based on our individual stage of development and accumulated karma. This limited perspective can lead to the illusion that our perception is the only true reality. We struggle to comprehend the viewpoints of those on different rungs of the evolutionary ladder, leading to misunderstanding and conflict. The inability to understand and appreciate the diverse perspectives of others is the root cause of intolerance, war, and suffering. When we cling to our limited view as the absolute truth, we create divisions and fuel conflict. Imagine trying to describe the color blue to someone who has only ever seen red. The limitations of their sensory experience would prevent them from fully grasping the concept. Similarly, our limited perspectives can blind us to the richness and complexity of the universe. True understanding requires empathy, the ability to step into the shoes of another and see the world through their eyes. It requires a willingness to challenge our own assumptions and embrace the possibility that our perception may be incomplete. Martinez's teachings encourage us to look beyond the physical and recognize the spiritual essence that connects all beings. We are not merely physical organisms, we are eternal spirits on a journey of self-discovery. By cultivating compassion and understanding, we can begin to transcend the limitations of our sensory ray and glimpse the interconnectedness of all life. This expanded awareness can lead to a more peaceful and harmonious world. This journey of self-discovery is not always easy. It requires courage, honesty, and a willingness to confront our own biases and prejudices. But the rewards are immeasurable: a deeper sense of purpose, a greater appreciation for the beauty of the universe, and a more profound connection to all beings. How can we cultivate this cosmic consciousness and expand our limited perception? Martinez offers several practical tools and principles. Self-analysis. Begin by examining your own thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Identify the areas where you may be holding on to limiting perspectives. Empathy. Practice putting yourself in the shoes of others, especially those who hold different views than your own. Try to understand their motivations and experiences. Meditation. Cultivate a quiet mind through meditation. This allows you to access deeper levels of awareness and connect with your inner wisdom. Service. Engage in acts of kindness and service to others. This helps to break down the barriers of separation and foster a sense of unity. Study. Immerse yourself in the teachings of Martinus and other spiritual masters. This can provide valuable insights and guidance on your journey. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more cosmic wisdom from Martinus Cosmology.